Good morning, good morning. Another beautiful day here in Utah, working on the new house. So I haven't really been able to have time to film any of the electrical. I've been now working on the electrical for about 2 weeks. Crazy long process. I thought I would have been able to get it done sooner, but I extremely underestimated the amount of work. I've had some awesome people, friends, been able to come over and help me when they can, but unfortunately it's around the 4th of July and all of them are out of town and stuff. So show you kind of where I'm at. So exterior is pretty much wrapped up. So all the exterior cans are around the outside of the house. There's 12 in total. And then you got these two in the entry right here. You can see up there in the eaves. So in basically every corner of the eave of the house, you have a can. This yellow wire hanging right here, there's gonna be Christmas outlets for Christmas lights that are switched. And then we have exterior outlets. I still gotta put the boxes in, but the wires are every wire is run on the main floor besides the low voltage, so TV stuff. So we have a chandelier over the stairway, entry light, some sconces. You can see, put some switches behind the door that you won't use a lot, like the Christmas lights and stuff like that. The ones that you will use a lot are over here on this side. They're double switched from over here as well. Kitchen, we got can lights kind of wrapping the layout of the kitchen, because you can see like the island. And then we have everywhere we have plug mold, which means that there'll be plugs under the cabinets instead of being any plug. There won't be any outlets in the backsplash. And then under cabinet lighting, you can see it's kind of same thing, plug mold under cabinet lighting, plug mold under cabinet lighting. The range, the gas is now in, plumbers have gotten all roughed in. You have the pantry over here, which we have a little flue chase here for the utilities from the basement out. I did add this piece of 2.5-inch conduit that's running from the mechanical room. It will go out through into the attic. I'm finishing my basement, and since I'm finishing my basement, it's gonna be extremely hard to add things in the future. So I put this here simply that if I ever need to add anything, I can chase it from the mechanical room upstairs. So you got pantry, a sink, some outlets, be a built-in microwave right here in the pantry, so you have the microwave outlet. That's the office. You got some lights in there, outlets all over, all the exterior outlets. This covered patio goes out 20 feet, so this is only half of it's concreted now. This other part right here has to get all filled in with dirt, and then from back corner to back corner, it'll basically be concrete all the way to those posts, this whole area. So there's 6 cans here and a fan, and then there's cans lighting up the walkway going down that way. So I think I went through about 100 cans. So you guys seen the video I posted the other day of building the TV niche. So you can see we did the TV outlet that'll go there, and then this is where the HDMIs and stuff will run from down here. So this is going to be a suspended hearth, and then the DVD players and stuff will be bolted to the bottom of the hearth so they're hidden, and then the wires will run up to there. So I'll go get a 2-inch Smurf tube. We got going into the master, got cans, smoke detectors everywhere that we needed smoke detectors. Master bedroom, 4 cans, some sconces that'll go on the outside, TV and stuff. We're gonna do a patio here, so I pulled a 50 amp outlet right there for future hot tub sitting out there. All these things you got to think of. Like for instance, I did bolt outlets for the bed to go there, but I forgot that we were gonna do sconces with a switch instead of having to do lamps. So still got to add that. You have toilet closet with the fan, light. I'm gonna add an outlet in there too for a night light, another thing I gotta add. And then there's a chandelier box I gotta add there. The sconces, my wife's makeup vanity with her lights that'll be there on both sides of the mirror, so it's really bright, and plenty of outlets. The shower, I gotta land both of these switches right here for, you gotta land both of these for the lights, and then so there's one switch that'll control the can, and then another switch that will control this niche that where you put soap and stuff is gonna be lit up. So that's what this wire is for. Walk into the closet, lights, and the laundry in the closet. This little niche thing that's built right here is for stackable washer and dryer, so you can see that's all wired in. So walk back, we'll go check out the other side of the house. So just kitchen, and then dining room right here, and then closet, this hallway, another smoke detector, some cans. So actually one thing that's pretty cool is, so for the under cabinet lighting, switch it from here, but then it goes to that blue box there. That's where the driver will be, to be able to convert the power from 120 to whatever the lights run on. So it'll be hidden on the inside of that closet and then run over there. And then half bath right there, some lights, fan, all that stuff. And then that. For the garage is pretty complicated. Did a car charger there, and then I think we'll all have electric cars in the future, so we don't want to have to add that later on. So car charger, some outlets, pre-ran all of the wires for the garage door, so they'll all be in the walls and there won't be any of those wires stapled. You have to do the garage door outlet, some lights, garage door outlets on both of the big doors, and the garage door wires, and then there's plenty of lights, outlets all along the wall. We got 3 circuits in here, so there's plenty of power. Did some can lights right here. So how it'll work is there's gonna be 3 switches. One will just switch these 3 cans for like to kind of, if you're just coming out to do something quick, and then one for that bay, and then one for the big bay. So also I got a mount, there's this one right here coming down, this 30 amp outlet for my car lift. I poured some footing so that the lift will go 2 spot footing, so my car lift will go right here. And then another outlet right here for whatever I need, whether it's a welder and stuff, and also expansion for if we put a pool in. This would be right behind the garage. Here's where we would put the pool. So we have a stubbed gas line and that, so that it'll be very easy to put the pool equipment here, like the heater and all that stuff. Then you see we have a gas line up there for the garage heater. So let's go check out the basement. Here's the family room. So the last 2 days I basically just spent putting up lights. So there's can lights. The kid under the stairs right here is going to be like a kid's playhouse. So there's a door and some windows, a bunch of lights and switches. Walk back here, there's lights, a little closet. Here's the first mechanical room, and you probably can't see it, but up in there is where that pipe for the expansion, the panel will go here, so it'll be easy. Is where the hot water heaters and stuff will go, and the water softener. So then I spaced the outlets here because I'm gonna put some night lights in here because our kids are little and they're gonna be in the basement. So I don't want them to be scared to go to their bedrooms at night. So their bathroom is a pretty cool layout. We had a square, but to break it up, you have a pocket door for the toilet closet, and then you're gonna have a double sink vanity, and then a separate room for the tub. So everything you would be doing in here is in a different room. So toilet is in its own room, tub's in its own room, vanities. So in both the boys' bedrooms, I'm working on, I have the last thing I need to put up right now is the fan box for his bedroom. And did 1 can light here, 2 over there. Sometimes when you have these drops, it's really hard to balance what you should do for lighting. So then same thing in here, 2 cans, the fan, and then yeah, we got a light in his closet because it's pretty deep. So walk back over here. We have, so here's the family room. You can see there's lots of cans all over. There's gonna be a kitchenette over in this area. So did some backsplash height outlets over there. Turn on my light so we can see. And here's the theater. So this will be like double doors going in. And the screen will be over there. and then there's some outlets per code. There's some sconce lights, and then there's the stuff for the up top for the projector. And then back there on the back wall up top, we'll put a cabinet, and that's where all the equipment will go. Super dark in there. But so the other half, so off of the family room, we have the gym that's right here, the laundry room, and then another bedroom. So I guess we'll start in the bedroom. So bedroom has like a little niche opening so that it doesn't feel like it's right off of the family. And then you have this. It was, again, I have this I would typically only want to put two can lights and a fan in here, but because of the fur down and where the ducting's at, I had to do 4 lights to balance it. And then you have a light in the closet. And then this bathroom originally, you can see where the lines were on the floor. That's where it was framed. We decided to, and it was just a bathroom for the gym. We decided to take some of the bathroom space because it was just weirdly big and make it an ensuite slash gym bath, because a gym bath really won't get used that much, so an ensuite works better. So tub, toilet, vanity, super simple. And then the gym right here, I mean, there's can lights everywhere. And the second HVAC, so this HVAC room is just for the downstairs, and then the other one is for the main floor. And then you can see there's wires hanging here too, because there's another panel. So there's 2 100 amp panels in the house kind of separated out. So yeah, so today I got to get that box up, start pulling some wire. The 2 ACs will sit outside, right outside of this wall. The main power is going to come into this wall. So I have a bunch to do, but we're getting there. I think I should be able to 4-way inspection within, I don't know, hopefully like, I don't know, hopefully I'll be able to 4-way inspection within 2 weeks. And probably won't pass the first time, but then hopefully we'll get a list and be able to pass shortly after. So then it will be on to insulation, sheetrock, all that stuff. But between now and the time we pass, we are gonna get our windows installed. We're gonna get the roof on, we're gonna get dried in. So there's other stuff that's gonna be going on while I'm doing the electrical. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will be periodically trying to post throughout it so you guys can follow along with the build. If you have any questions, hit me up. If you want to see anything specific, I am taking on a lot of projects like finishing, like building this hearth, doing all of the tile work myself, all of the flooring, all of the hardwood, all that kind of stuff is all going to be done by me. So yeah, if you have any questions, but thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys later.